Hello and welcome to Teacher of Lost channel. In this video, I'm going to work on the last part of chapter 16 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 5. And this chapter is about time, and this part is aimed to check students' understanding of the lessons through the unit. So in question 1 of this part, we have cinema film listings. Cinema film listings. The name of the first film is The First Dawn, which is a 5-star film, and the running time for this is 123 minutes. 123 minutes. And the second one is The Second Sunset, and it's a 4-star movie or film, and the running time for this is 1 hour and 52 minutes. 1 hour and 52 minutes. So part A says, how long is the film The First Dawn in hours and minutes? So the running time for this film is given in minutes, and now we are asked to find out how many hours and how many minutes the film is. So to find out, we have to know how many minutes are there in 1 hour. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. If 1 hour is 60 minutes, 2 hours will be 120 minutes. But the movie is 123 minutes. So the movie will be running for 2 hours and 3 minutes. 2 hours and 3 minutes. This is how easy it is. And part B says, how long is the film The Second Sunset in minutes? The time for this is given in hours and minutes. So we have to find out how long is it in minutes. So again, we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we have to, in place of 1 hour, we have to write 60 minutes plus 52 minutes. So 60 plus 50 will be 110, and 110 plus 2 will be 112 minutes. 112 minutes. This is how we can find out. The first one, we found out that this is 2 hours and 3 minutes. And the second one, which is asking how long the film in minutes is, we found out that it is 112 minutes. Let's scroll down to move to the next part. Okay. In question 2, it says, this is a timetable for one bus journey. The bus starts at stop A and travels to all stops in order until it reaches stop G. So we have 3 questions that's asking about this timetable. The first one says, or part A says, how long does it take to get from stop A to stop B? So stop A to stop B. So what time the bus moves from stop A? It moves at 7:22. 7:22 and reaches to stop B at 8:10. 8:10. So to easily find out how long is it, we can simply go step by step. We know that from 7:22 to 7:30 it's only 8 minutes. And from 7:30 to 8, it is 30 minutes. M stands for minutes. And from 8 to 8:10, it is 10 minutes. It is 10 minutes. Now 30 plus 10 is 40, then 40 plus 8 is 48. So we can write that this is 48 minutes. 48 minutes. So we could easily find out by splitting it into steps, such as 7:22 to 7:30, which is 8 minutes, and 7:30 to 8 is 30 minutes, and the same way 8 to 8:10. Well, part B says, how long does it take to get from stop E to stop F? Okay, let me write them down here. Stop E to stop F. So it moves at 11:45 and reaches to stop F at 13:08. 13:08. So in the same way, we will break it into parts from 11:45 to 12. To 12, it is 15 minutes. It is 15 minutes. And from 12 to 1, or from 12 to 13, it is 1 hour. And from 13 to 13:08, 13:08. It is 8 minutes. 8 minutes. So the time it takes from stop E to stop F is 1 hour, 1 hour and 23 minutes. 1 hour and 23 minutes, because 15 plus 8 is 23. So we can write over here 1 hour, H stands for hour, and 23 minutes. 1 hour and 23 minutes. Well, the last question says, which part of the journey between two stops take 1.5 hours? 1.5 hours. So because over here we see that this is 10:15 and here it's 11:45, we will work on that and see if that is giving us the answer or not. Let me scroll a bit down. So the bus from stop D, I will write only D, from stop D moves at 10:15 and arrives to stop E at 11:45. 11:45. Let's find out by splitting it. So from 10:15 to 11:15, 10:15 to 11:15, it's 1 hour. Just 1 hour from 11:15 to 11:45. 11:15 is here. Let's show it over here. If this is 11, so 11:15 is here. So from 11:15 to 11:45, it is exact half an hour. Half an hour. So we can write from 11:15 to 11:45, it is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So we can write that the two stops in which the bus takes 1.5 hour or 1.5 hour is stop D and stop E. Stop D and stop E. So we are done with question 2. Let's now move to question 3. In question 3, it says, here are clocks showing the correct time for 3 friends around the world. It is daytime for all 3 friends. Means it is the daytime that is shown on the clocks. We have Joe, we have Jenny, and we have Yuan. So question A says, what is the time difference between where Joe and where Yuan is? Where Joe and where Yuan is. So to show the time where Joe is, I will use digital clock. So the clock shows that where Joe is, the time is 9:42. 9:42. In the place where Yuan is, the time is 3:42. It is 3:42. Sorry, 3:42. Let me write 2 here. So 3:42. If we go around the clock, we can easily find out. From 9:42 to 10:42, it's 1 hour. To 11:42, it's 2 hours. To 12:42, it's 3 hours. And to 1:42, it is 4 hours. To 2:42, it is 5 hours. And to 3:42, it is 6 hours. So the time difference between Joe's place and Yuan's place is 6 hours. 6 hours. Part B says, what time will be showing on Jenny's clock in 1 hour and 30 minutes? Now the time on Jenny's clock is 11:42. 11:42. After 1 hour, it will be 12:42. So another 30 minutes will be, so 12:52, 1:02, and 1:12. 12:52, 1:02, and 1:12. The time will be 13:12. 13:12, or we can say 1:12. Well, in part C, it says, Joe is expecting a phone call at 11 o'clock. How long does he have to wait? The clock shows that where Joe is, the time is now 9:42. After 1 hour, it will be 10:42. And in another 18 minutes, it will be 11 o'clock. So after 1 hour, I will write the answer here. I can write after 1 hour and 18 minutes. And 18 minutes. This is the answer to C. After 1 hour and 18 minutes, it will be 11 o'clock. So this is all about last part of chapter 16, which is about time. I hope it helps you learn how to find the interval between two time periods and also how to find the differences between two time zones where, for example, Joe, Jenny, and Yuan was living. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends and your classmates. And if you're a teacher, share it with your students as well. Have a nice time, and thank you so much.